585, I was just hailed by one reporting a female subject, Rohnerville at Kenmar, with no tires. I'll be out at the Middleton residence with a vehicle fire. Request you dispatch fire.
We're out at Middleton, request fire for vehicle fire.
Female's now trying to leave in the vehicle.
5 Roger, 1355 Rohnerville.
I'm running pinned in at the Middleton residence. Respond code 3.
Fortuna PD, vehicle fire 1355 Rohnerville Road, 1355 Rohnerville Road. PD is on scene with an X-ray attempting to leave.
7409 is responding.
7409 responding. 1016.
50 out.
With an X-ray who's just been tasered, was trying to drive away in a vehicle that is now on fire. 1355 Rohnerville Road, Middleton residence.
Show me the route.
01 en route 1017.
Fortuna 7400 responding.
7400 responding 1017.
7400, 7409. I'm en route responding. We may need somebody to engineer.
Wait out, I got it.
I'm out with a witness, also at the NAC.
58 out with a witness at the NAC.
You have one in custody. You will need CHG to respond for a TC report.
585 Roger, fire's en route for the vehicle.
587, units or code 4.
5867, code 4.
Cancel station 2, station 3. Continue the one truck code 2 and cancel everything else.
Base copy, station 3 and station 2 you can secure, and 7415 responding with 4 and code 2. Base station 2 secure.
You can be en route when you clear. Fortuna requesting 1110 for X-ray versus patrol vehicle. 585, standby 1. The X-ray has a valid DL, valid correction, formal probation, general search, BC 2800.2, felony PC 69. No firearms, ammunition, or weapons. Also has summary probation for PC 602 and Mary PC 594 B-Boy 2. Go ahead, Mr. 28.
85, copy. Tom Adam 540.
My vehicle's clear and current to that subject. It's an 03 Toyota. QPD. Go ahead on 21 with tow.
Your CHP can disregard. There can be negative damage to my patrol vehicle other than the push bumper.
Roger, all advice. They were going to respond after the cow. 5, can you just confirm that there are no tires on the vehicle?
85, that's affirmative. There's rubber, but they're not workable tires.